Winholt Equipment. Equipment solutions designed and manufactured for operational efficiency, cost savings, and supply chain advantage. Winholt is a leading manufacturer of quality material handling, e-commerce picking and distribution carts, stainless steel sink and table fabrication, food service and food handling equipment. Our vision is that we will care for our customers, associates, suppliers, and community, and be the equipment leader in the industries we serve. Putting the ones we work with first is a staple of the Winholt culture. For the last 72 years, Winholt has embraced the value of caring, whether it is for our customers, associates, suppliers, or community. We will continue to be a positive influence and model for how business should be conducted. We care is a mindset that we have internalized in all aspects of our company. Winholt is headquartered in Woodbury, New York, with 3 strategically located facilities in the United States: Allentown, Pennsylvania, Dallas, Texas, and Los Angeles, California, as well as our global manufacturing facility in Shanghai, China. Winholt's multiple manufacturing and distribution facilities offer a supply chain advantage by reducing our customers' total cost of ownership and expedited delivery. We are committed to supply chain management and complete national coverage, which allows us to further lower supply chain and logistic costs. Our cutting-edge manufacturing includes CNC fabrication, as well as automated equipment results in high-speed precision metal punching and cutting, improved productivity, and provides beautifully finished equipment. We offer manufactured products in stainless steel, aluminum, steel, and plastic. We recognized our customers' need for a total source supplier, and with our versatility in manufacturing and our broad product line, we are able to maximize value for our customers by being their one-stop source for all of their equipment requirements. For us, it's all about improving and expanding on our customers' experience and offering them more value. Winholt offers innovative custom designs by partnering with our clients and encourages them to utilize our resources to design and manufacture products that meet their specific needs. A new trend of grocerants, supermarkets with ready-to-eat items, has put Winholt in a unique position to supply equipment to the store and expand their product offering to include food prep and merchandising. We take pride in providing our customers with viable solutions. Over the course of 20 years, e-commerce evolved from a novel new concept into a major part of the world's economy and has entirely revolutionized the retail industry. Seeing the change in the industry, we were able to partner with many of our retail customers to meet the new demand they faced to fill their online store orders and meet the demands of the millennials and Gen Xers. Working closely with our team of engineers who did on-site evaluations of their distribution and fulfillment centers, we are able to design distribution carts and e-commerce fulfillment equipment solutions for operational efficiency and offered cost savings. Not only are we staying ahead of the curve with popular trends, Winholt focuses on sustainability and green initiatives throughout our entire organization too. By utilizing recycled supplies and packaging materials, reduction of paper usage, and eco-friendly powder coating, we are committed to saving energy in all phases of the company to be environmentally friendly. But don't just listen to us. Here are a few of our loyal customers' remarks. Debbie Reynolds, Supply Direct. Winholt has learned the secret to great customer relationships by interacting with customers like a neighbor or a friend and not just a business associate. Otto Bell, Senior Manager, Walmart Neighborhood Markets. Thank you for the great customer service. Stu Leonard Jr., CEO of Stu Leonard's. Stu Leonard's has been working with Winholt equipment for over 25 years. We're in the midst of designing a new store, and we wouldn't do it without Winholt. Winholt is celebrating our 72nd anniversary. The business has been supported by its associates throughout the 72-year history. Their dedication is a testament to the success and longevity of the company. Our associates truly make the difference. Our vision is that we will care for our customers, associates, suppliers, and community, and be the equipment leader in the industries we serve. Winholt has embraced a "we care" philosophy to be a positive influence and model of how business should be conducted. Will you join us for our next 72 years?